Today, LLMs have opened the door to new AI use cases. Imagine a traveler asking for a travel plan to Tripexigo. Tripexigo passes it directly to ChatGPT and shows output to the users. Now, same traveler gives same input to Emyatra, but Emyatra transforms it to a smart prompt and then passes to ChatGPT. Now the output is more personalized. User gets happy and books his trip from Emyatra. But finding best prompt and model combination is hectic. Run thousands of iterations and evaluate outputs manually. That's where LLUMO comes in. Get smart prompt recommendations to quickly start your experiment. Run thousands of iterations across LLMs in one click. And evaluate outputs using LLUMO's 4CS framework to get the best combination. Deploy your LLM feature via a plug-and-play API. Track your LLM performance in production to meet your customer expectations in real time. So why wait? Let's start doing prompt engineering 5x faster.